Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to share a contact on Telegram. Sharing contacts can be a handy way to introduce friends or share important connections. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in, and you'll see your chat list populated with conversations. This is where the fun begins. Next, locate the chat where you want to share the contact. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Once you've found the desired chat, tap to open it and get ready to share that important contact. Now look at the top of your screen. You'll see the contact name displayed. Tap on that name to open their profile. This will give you access to various options related to that contact. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find 3 dots. These dots represent additional options, so go ahead and tap on them. A menu will pop up, revealing more choices. What you want to select now is Share Contact. This option allows you to share the selected contact with anyone in the chat. It's a straightforward way to connect people without having to type out their details. Once you tap on Share Contact, a list will appear showing the contact's information. You can then send this directly to the chat you opened earlier. If you want, you can add a quick message to explain who the contact is or why you're sharing them. After you've selected the contact and added any message, just hit that Send button. And just like that, you've successfully shared a contact on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.